Hello everyone, welcome to the course Data Structures. This is Thulasi Chitra, Associate Professor, Department of CSIT, MLR Institute of Technology. In the previous session, we have discussed about the double linked list creation and display operations. Now we are going to try to implement this double linked list creation and display operations for forward as well as backward operations. Let us see the overview what we are going to discuss. Implementation of double linked list creation and display operations. To implement it, let us open our online C compiler GDB, right? Online C compiler GDB. Here we are going to try to implement the program. Let me increase the font size. Yes. C program to implement double linked list creation and display operations, right? Please save this program so that we can perform the remaining operations also, like insertion, deletion operations also in the same program. First, let us start header file to be included for input output for printing and scanning, and we require stdlib.h for dynamic memory allocation function for malloc, that one which we are going to use. Then here we are going to perform two operations. One is create function, and another one is a display function, display forward as well as backward. Display backward also we will see. Both the operations we will see. Right. Now declare the node structure, struct node followed by int data, and here we are going to have two pointer variables that is required. One is previous and another one is next, right? And declare different pointer variables which we require for our program, that is struct node pointer. Initially we initialize head equal to null, then we have head and last pointer which points to the last node. Pointer n represents the new node, and one more pointer variable is temp. These are the four pointer variables which we require. And start the main function. In main function, take one choice variable, give the choices as the first one is create, second one display forward, and third one is display backward, right? These are the three operations which we require. Okay. Next, start do loop. One minute. Start do loop, and here take the choice of yours, which operation you want to perform. Enter your choice. and read it by using scanf, address of CH, sorry. Now take the switch case for selecting the option. Case 1. Case 1 is create, break. Then case 2, we have done display forward, right? Then break. Then case 3 is display backward, then break, right? These are the 3 cases which we will see, and the remaining cases we will discuss in other videos, right? And your do while loop, ch less than or equal to 3, up to 3 cases we have written, right? Next, do is closed, at the same time close the main function also. This main function is closed. Now start writing the sub functions. Void create, first allocate the memory, struct node, pointer, malloc, struct node, size of struct node, right? Size of struct node. Node structure is created. This will make you to allocate the memory dynamically. Printf enter data value, read the data value by using scanf, address of n arrow data. Okay. Now check for the condition. What is the first condition? Head equal to null. If head equal to null, then head equal to n and followed by last equal to n. The node which we have created, that becomes the first node and that becomes the last node. And else, if it is not the case, if it is not a first node, then we need to make the other node to be connected to the first node, that is last arrow next equal to n, n arrow previous equal to last, and at the same time last should be assigned to null. For make the connections, you can refer the previous video, right? We have discussed the theoretical part and how you are going to make the connections here, right? And this is creation part. Now perform the display. Void display void display underscore forward, right? While displaying, we need to assign our temp to head. This is a forward display, that's why we need to assign temp equal to head, right? While of temp not equal to null. Until it reaches the null value, it has to traverse through the list. Now try to print the values of it, that is temp arrow data has to be printed, and the temp should be moved to the next location, temp equal to temp arrow next, right? And this has to be closed. This is the forward direction. In the same way, just we are going to make a copy of it and just we'll do the changes for the backward direction. Just I am doing small changes here. Backward. Here, instead of head temp equal to head, we need to assign temp equal to last. From back, we are going to start printing it. And the remaining things will be same. And instead of temp arrow next, we need to move to previous. Right? That's all. Let us save this program. As I am write it in short, double linked list. Creation and display. Okay, save it and run the program. Select the language. Okay, I'm running the program in C, right? Yes, here you need to give a new line. That's why it is coming here itself. Enter choice 1, data value 10, enter choice 1, data value 20, enter choice 1, 30, choice 1, 40. Right. Now try to display in the forward direction, that is I am giving the choice as 2 and another one choice as 3. It has to display in the reverse order, right? Yes, this is about the double linked list creation and display operations. Let me see the summary of it, what we have done. Just in this, we have discussed about the implementation of double linked list creation as well as display. In this display also, we have come across forward as well as backward. Backward the display of elements of double linked list. Yes. Thank you for the session. Try to practice this program. If you have any doubts, please do comment in the session. Thank you.